Hi everyone.
Hello. We're in the parking lot of Ikea. And they have a funny... That's very important to show.
Oh, sure, I'm proving that you're not lying.
Yeah. And when you enter, you get one of these. It's like, you go for on a concert, you also get things like that. And because you can shop alone. No, you have to, sorry. You have to shop alone. So you're just a driver today.
Yeah.
We're gonna be talking to each other on WhatsApp if there's like doubt about things. But yeah, we're not buying furniture or anything, so we don't really have to make big decisions.
And I'm gonna be giving out my card, probably. Right?
Just in case.
So, making a big mistake here today.
I'm really hoping they have like Christmassy stuff. And I mean, the main reason why we're here is... You remember? For the bowls.
The bowls? Yeah. Okay, yeah. I wasn't sure if that was the main reason, but I knew that was a reason.
It's starting to bother me. We only have one, like a proper deep bowl for like, I don't know, salad or something, like if we eat gyros. And it just bothers me to the point where I'm like, I need that bowl to be sane. To stay sane. So yeah, but they're like €1 each, so we were like, yeah.
Buy 10.
Now I have, no. Buying 5. Anyway, I might record in Ikea like a little bit, but also I have only 30 minutes, so I'm gonna try to go as quickly as possible. I might record at the end knowing that I found everything already, so we'll see about that.
You better hurry, because this time is already ticking the half an hour.
No, it's not.
I'm pretty sure that's when you get the color. They each have their own number.
No. Okay, bye. See ya. Hi everyone, it's been a few days since the Ikea shop with me, and now I'm here to show you what I actually bought. So let's just jump into it. I want to start with something that I don't want to forget about, which are these document holders. And there are 2 in a pack, and they're actually quite sturdy, and also they have like metal corners that you put on top of it. And they fit A4 size, which I once purchased before something like this from Ikea, and it did not fit that. So these are good ones. Oh, and I'm gonna try to list all the items in the description box, like the names, the Ikea names of these things, so you can easily find it. So here's a box with some of the things I purchased. Well, it's not in the box, which is this teacup mug. I really like big mugs, and I'm kind of, now that it's really cold, I do drink a lot of tea, and sometimes we run out of those big ones, so I got myself one. It's also a really nice blue color, so I couldn't leave it. Also a tip, where is my phone? At least the Ikea app in Belgium allows you to create like a shopping list, which is really handy because it also tells you in which part of the store you're gonna find your things. So I basically had like a shopping list with all of my, can you focus? with all of the things I wanted to buy, and I just yeah, this way I knew exactly what I was looking for. So I think I told you about these balls. That's the ball that I was looking for, so I bought 5 of them, and now we have a set of 6. So this is really good and it's really affordable. It's only €1 and I use it a lot and I wash it in the dishwasher and it's perfect. Okay, sticking with kitchen stuff, 2 things I actually purchased for my brother. One is potato masher, yeah, that's how we call it, a potato masher, because he requested that, and a garlic press, and apparently this one is good. And I also saw on pictures on the Ikea website that this kind of opens, like this opens here, so you can it's easier to clean it. So it was really interesting. I have a good garlic press, so I didn't need one, but yeah, looks really interesting actually. Some other kitchen stuff are Ziploc bags. I got this size. There used to be like a purple set, because these are both red. Used to be like a purple set that I really liked the sizes of those, but they don't have them anymore apparently. Well, at least not now. And then clips for bags. We use these for, I don't know, for crisps, for flour, for any kind of bag, for noodles, pasta. So these are really good. They also have like a pack of these big ones plus smaller ones, but I only like the big ones, to be honest. I think I have one more kitchen item, which is this, and it's a set of 3 cans with like a Christmassy design. And I'm gonna make gingerbread cookies, which I'm probably gonna make actually today. So I would like to have a pretty place to store them. And once I'm done with that, something that's gonna end up in it. Also, all the Christmassy things are called Winter 2020, so they don't have separate names. So yeah, I'm just gonna kind of list them under the same name, so you're not confused when you see it. Okay, let's get through like the decorative things. So first, wrapping, like accessories, supplies. So I bought this, it's not lint, it's like thicker, but I got this in like a silvery color and the red color, which I actually used to wrap things with, and I really like this. And then I bought a set of 3 wrapping papers. I just really love the combo of this green with a silver. I'm not gonna open them this year. I'm gonna keep them for the future. So yeah. Then I have, it's still sticking out. Then I have a set of 3 of these plastic or metal trees, and I'm gonna use them for decoration, and also when I take photos, something like that is going to be very useful to me. I bought a red lantern, and I have in Poland a white lantern, which they also still sell, but I saw actually this one on someone's Instagram, but I did not see it on the website. Also, it looks way more red in the in the camera. But then I saw it in Ikea and I was like, that's exactly the one I saw on somebody's Instagram. And cool feature, now it's with a magnet. There's a magnet here. And the one I have at home is like a small thingy to close it. So yeah, I'm really happy with this purchase. And last thing to decorate, of decoration, is this, which is fake reef, and I have a few ideas on how I could use it, and it's gonna be very versatile for me for over the years. Again, I have one more, I think though a smaller one in Poland, but I'm gonna have a use for both of them over the years, so that is not a problem. But one more Christmassy, Christmas themed thing is a big bag, like a big one. That's the bag. And cool feature is that the zipper goes to here on one side. So I think it would be good, for example, even for Christmas trees, if you have like the boxes broken of your Christmas tree, if it's like in pieces, obviously, that would really well fit into this bag. If not, it's just good for throwing, I don't know, Christmas blankets or cushions and stuff like that, you know. And in the shop it's folded and it's like kind of this size. I was struggling to find it, so yeah, maybe that's gonna be helpful to you. Okay, now organizing stuff. So maybe still a little bit of decorating, but it's also for organizing. These are from the bathroom section, and they are like hard plastic. And I was like, one is gonna be great for photos. Again, I take a lot of like product photos for Instagram, or just I don't know, to separate my skincare or my nightstand, something like that. And I was thinking maybe a second one for actually in the bathroom, where it's meant to be for like to put a soap on it and like something like a bottle, I mean. So if something drips, it drips onto that and not onto the not closet, the countertop. And I see I'm speaking for a long time, so I'm gonna get this show going. And then this is for shoes. And you can see on the website how it's meant to be. Basically, you put one shoe here and the other one kind of on top. And it's supposed to help you with your vertical space. So I got 2 of them just to try them out, see if they even work in my closet. Then it's called an everything storage. This is kind of for everything, but what I'm gonna use it for, how do you put it together? I'm gonna do it later. What I'm gonna use it for is my wrapping paper. I think it's meant for like shopping bags or whatever, but actually, okay, so it's put together. It's mainly for like it's meant to be for like shopping bags, but what I'm gonna use it for is wrapping paper. At least that's the vision I have in my head. So we'll see how that goes. And then I have this box. I already have one like this, so I know I like it. You can see here that it has like compartments. Okay, I don't know about the quality of this, to be honest, but I ran out of memory on the other thing, so I'm recording on my phone now. So like I said, I already had one of these. I really like them. I have a use for the second one. Here I have like these vacuum packing bags. This one is to use a vacuum cleaner on it. This one is to roll it up, and it's meant to be like, you know, for traveling and stuff. And the last thing is like a shelf that you have to attach the legs to, and it's meant to be for in the kitchen clothes or something, to again work with your vertical space. Again, I have an idea on how to use it. We'll see if it will work. But I actually already had one of those in Poland, and I even used it as a mini table on my balcony, so that was kind of cool. Anyway, I think that's everything. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Maybe you found a few things here that you didn't know Ikea has, like these shoe thingies. I was like really surprised by them. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.